So my name is
Yes.
Salam. I'm from Assam, northeast part of India, and I have done my graduation from Goethe University. I have also done my computer diploma for PGDCA course, and my hobbies are learning English and video making. And currently, I have been working as a computer shop. So that's all about brother. So
Okay.
please introduce
So
yourself.
I'm happy. Yes, yes, I'm happy I heard about you. So nice introduction from your side. So now it's now my turn. So this is MD Israfil Halar. I'm from West Bengal. Currently, I am living now Kolkata for my work purpose. If I talk about my profession, I am a job holder person nowadays. As well, if I talk about my qualification, education, I completed my graduation. If I talk about my hobbies are like many things. So I like to most of the time I like to play outdoor games, many outdoor games. As well, I like to visit new places, as well explore new places. So that's all about me. Thank you for asking. So already you mentioned your about you. You mentioned many things about you. So I want to know about your journey first of all. When did you join in this app? When did you start learning this language?
Okay. So actually, I am start my journey 1 month before 1 month ago. So the time I am very shyness feel for starting time. So right now I have very actually improvement this language. So right now I am very happy, and uh, I will be able one day I will be able. So that's it, brother.
Yes,
when
definitely you will able to speak in English.
when did your starting journey?
Yes, I started my journey 2 months back. I had joined
Two
on
months.
this app 10th of December. Yes, I had one. I had joined this app 10th of December,
Then
2024. That's 2 months.
oh,
Yes. So,
actually I am joined this app before 1 month ago. My one Bangladeshi friend, he joined my these apps. Okay.
yes. So, what's your friend's name? Who joined is there? Joined you this app?
Okay.
Who motivated you?
He's a YouTuber. So his name is Sravon.
Savon. Oh.
Do you Sravon?
Yes, yes, I know. Yes, I know. I watch his video. No, I watch his video, many videos, Savon. He is like fluent speaker, good speaker.
Yes, yes. I think he's a good speaker. He's
Yes,
a
yes.
very good.
He's your friend. Is he your friend? Yeah, just meet online.
Online meeting with you, online friend. So I'm from
Oh,
India,
online.
Assam.
So,
He's Bangladeshi. He's live at
yes,
Bangladesh.
yes.
Okay.
He is Bangladeshi. You are Indian. So you are already you mentioned you are from Assam. So in which part of Assam where you live now?
Okay. Actually, Assam situated in northeast part of India, and Assam. My district name is Dhubri district. Actually, Dhubri is a Bangladesh border district. Okay. Lower
Oh,
Assam,
so
Lower Assam part.
yes, yes. I think you are living now border area. You are living now border area. So that's great. So how is weather over there at your place nowadays?
Okay, nowadays weather is very good, and sometimes weather is very foggy. So right now, today weather very shiny. Okay.
Okay, okay. So already you mentioned your capital. I think Guwahati, capital of Assam, maybe.
Okay, Guwahati is the very famous city in our Assam, and the
Yes.
city northeast part of northeast state. So like seven state includes northeast part. Actually, northeast very famous city is Guwahati.
Guwahati. So, can you tell me, which city capital of Assam?
Yes. Actually, yeah, Assam state capital Dispur. Capital name is Dispur. Is Guwahati. Guwahati Dispur. Okay.
Oh, Guwahati. Means Guwahati city is the capital of Assam, I think. So as
Yes.
well, so how far away to your home to Guwahati?
Actually, in our home and Guwahati city, 185 kilometer distance.
185 kilometer distance. I think it's very long. It's very
Very
far. So Polaswadi, how far to your home, Polaswadi?
Polasbari, Borpeta district. I don't know Polasbari.
Oh, actually, you don't know Polaswadi, but I know little bit Polaswadi Guwahati because where I am currently where I am working now. So that's our company is a vehicle company. So our company's vehicle go to Polaswadi as well. Polaswadi.
Okay.
So that's why I know a little bit. So
Actually,
you
you
just yes.
job holder, government job holder,
No. I am working at private sector.
private sector. Okay.
Yes. Private sector.
Okay. Actually, I'm right now a computer on computer shop, and as well as I am studying and preparing for job examination. Preparation for job examination like CTET and Assam TET, state government recruitment examination preparing.
Yes. So you are preparing for your government examinations. So how long have you been preparing for your government examination? So what type of method do you follow? What type of
Online watching educational channel like CTET, many type of YouTube channel like Himanshi Singh and another YouTube teachers Rohit Boydon and Soshin sir. Many type of educational YouTube channel. I watching
yes,
another type of YouTube channel.
yes. I think you follow 5 or 6 YouTubers, so you
Okay.
consume from their content.
Okay.
So hello.
Hello, brother. Actually, network problem.
Okay. So how long have you been preparing for your government exam? Or which hello?
Hello.
Yes. Am I audible now? I think network problem from your side. I think your net
Net
connection, poor net connection.
network is poor, slow connection, so that's why problem.
Okay, so if we have any problem, so you can wrap up the session. We can meet again. We can meet again tomorrow. Yeah, after tomorrow.
Okay, brother.
Okay, you when you
Next.
get free, you can call me. You can message me. Okay, no problem.
Okay.